Today morning I reached Alappuzha. I used boat transport to reach Alappuzha. So I plan to start our journey from Alappuzha boat station. A lot of private taxi cabs are available from this station. I am entering the road from boat station. Some people are going to their workplaces and some people going shopping. Before starting the journey, I need to eat something, so I am searching a hotel nearby the boat station. So I started walking on the road. After a while, I reached near to the government transport bus station. A lot of buses available from here to different destinations. This bus station is very near to the boat station. I'm not going to details of this bus station because I want to cover today most of the area in this city. I have just given you a piece of information. So if you are a traveler who wants to reach a boat station, a government bus is a best option to reach here. Please watching the entire video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. I shoot some shot. After that, I found a hotel while a little walk. Now I am waiting for a taxi cab. The city was awakened now. People are very busy with their life. Now time is morning at 10 o'clock. Almost all shops are open now. After a while, I got a taxi cab. My plan is first to reach the Alappuzha bypass junction. After that, I want to cover the railway station. So today I am not touching the heart of the city. So I started my journey. The cab driver is very good, mannerable person. He gave to me some helpful advice for my journey because he knows in depth about this town. Alappuzha is the busiest city on the Laccadive Sea in the southern Indian state of Kerala. It's best known for houseboat cruises along the rustic Kerala backwaters, a network of tranquil canals and lagoons. This town has a wonderful past, though the present town owes its existence to the Diwan Raja Kesavadas. History says Alappuzha had trade relations with the ancient Greece and Rome in BC and in the Middle Ages. Kuttanad, the rice bowl of Kerala with the unending stretches of paddy fields, small streams and canals with lush green coconut palms, was well known even from early periods. This district was formed on 17th August 1987. This city is a landmark between the broad Arabian Sea and a network of rivers flowing into it. During the 16th century, the Portuguese come into prominence in the political scene of the district. Christianity became popular in all parts of the district and they built several churches. Very famous in these churches are Purakad and Arthangal. Upcoming video I will show a detailed view of Arthangal church. The Sri Krishna Swami temple at Ambalappuzha was constructed and idol of Lord Krishna installed during that time. In the 17th century, the Portuguese power declined and the Dutch had predominant position in the principalities of this district. As a result of several treaties signed between Dutch and the Rajas of Purakad, Kayangulam and Karapuram. The Dutch built factories and warehouses in various places of the district for storing spices. Martandavarma Maharaja had a remarkable role in the internal progress of the district. He gave special attention to the development of the district as an administrative as well as a commercial center. The Krishnapuram Palace, which is now a protected monument of the State Archaeology Department, was constructed during that period. Raja Kesavadas, the Diwan of Travancore, who was known as the maker of the modern Alleppey, made Alappuzha a premier port town of Travancore. He constructed several roads and canals. He gave all faculties to merchants and traders. The first modern factory of the manufacture of coir mats and matting was also established in 1859 at Alappuzha. Also, the first post office and the first telegraph office in the erstwhile Travancore state started to this district. The district also witnessed the Nivartana movement, which was started as a protest against the constitutional repression of 1932. The first political strike in Kerala was held at Alappuzha in 1938. So the district had a prominent role in the freedom struggle of the country. After India became independent, a popular ministry was formed in Travancore on 24th March 1948 and on the 1st July 1949. Travancore and Cochin state were integrated and the position continued till the formation of Kerala state in 1st November 1956 as per the State Reorganization Act 1956. The district came into existence as a separate administrative. The Venice of East Alappuzha has always enjoyed an important place in the maritime history of Kerala. It's famous for boat races, backwater holidays, beaches, marine products, and the kayak industry. Alappuzha Beach is a popular picnic spot. Another delightful experience while in Alappuzha is the houseboat cruises. You can find in the backwaters of Alappuzha are in fact a reworked version of the Kettuvallams of old times. Most of the houseboats comes equipped with all comfort of the good hotel rooms, including furnished bedroom, modern toilets, etc.